So this is a cable row machine. With these, there are various attachments. We just have the basic triangle attachment for this exercise. This is a great positioning because it's going to keep your arms close to your body, making it much easier to use. So if you're newer, I would recommend having your arms closer to your body because as you perform the actual row, your arms are going to slide against your sides. So when you go to do this machine, of course, making sure you have the right handle in here, making sure the weight is appropriately adjusted for you. And you'll notice he'll put one foot up at a time to get positioning, and then he'll pull slightly back to get the cable adjusted prior to the full row. And once he goes to row, you'll notice his elbows and his arms slide against his side. Keeping in mind, the most important is your actual posture. So you want to be seated straight up, no rounding of the back at any point in time. When you go to perform your exercises, make sure you're actually looking forward toward your weights. Don't look down toward your toes. Don't bend in the cervical spine. But most importantly, keep this back up straight. Similar as your lat pull down, you're still working those lats. So you want to make sure that you're pulling your shoulder blades toward each other and you'll feel it in the mid of the back.